Welcome to the sleepy terms and conditions of eBay video. Disclaimer. The following is a fictionalized, paraphrased interpretation of general online marketplace policies created for relaxation and sleep purposes only. It is not the official terms of any company, it is not legal advice, and it should not be relied upon for any real transaction. If you are an actual buyer or seller and need accurate information, please consult the real, current terms published by the platform you use. Section 1. Scope of this agreement. This agreement outlines the terms under which a user may access, browse, list, bid on, purchase, or otherwise interact with items made available through the platform. By continuing to use the platform, the user acknowledges that they have read, understood, and agreed to be bound by the terms set out in this and any related policy documents, including but not limited to the privacy policy, the seller policies, the buyer protection terms, and any supplemental guidance issued from time to time at the sole discretion of the platform. Section 2. Eligibility. Use of the platform is limited to individuals who are at least 18 years of age or who have reached the age of legal majority in their jurisdiction of residence and who possess the legal capacity to enter into binding agreements. The platform reserves the right to request verification of identity, age, or address at any time and may suspend or restrict account access pending such verification. Accounts may not be transferred, sold, or shared between individuals without prior written consent. Section 3. Listings and item descriptions. A seller listing an item agrees to provide an accurate, complete, and non-misleading description of the item, including its condition, any defects, its dimensions where relevant, and its country of origin where applicable. Listings must comply with all applicable laws regarding the sale of goods, including restrictions on prohibited, restricted, or regulated items. The platform reserves the right to remove any listing that it determines, in its sole discretion, to be inaccurate, misleading, or in violation of these terms without prior notice. Section 4. Fees and charges. The platform may charge fees for listing, selling, or promoting items, calculated according to a fee schedule that may be updated from time to time. Fees may include, but are not limited to, insertion fees, final value fees, subscription fees for enhanced account features, and payment processing fees. All fees are exclusive of applicable taxes unless otherwise stated. The user agrees to keep a valid payment method on file for the settlement of any fees owed. Section 5. Payment processing. Payments made through the platform are processed by a designated payment provider, and the user agrees to be bound by the separate terms of that provider in addition to this agreement. Funds from a sale may be held, delayed, or reserved under certain circumstances, including but not limited to new seller status, unusually high transaction volume, or an elevated rate of buyer complaints. The platform is not a bank and does not guarantee the availability of funds at any particular time. Section 6. Buyer protection. Where a purchased item does not match its listed description, arrives significantly damaged, or fails to arrive within the stated delivery window, the buyer may be eligible to open a case under the Buyer Protection Program. The platform will review the evidence submitted by both parties and may, at its discretion, issue a refund, request the return of the item, or decline the claim. Decisions made under this program are generally considered final, though an appeals process may be available in limited circumstances. Section 7. Prohibited and restricted items. Certain categories of item may not be listed on the platform at all, including but not limited to items that infringe intellectual property rights, items that are illegal to sell in the buyer's or seller's jurisdiction, hazardous materials, recalled products, and items that violate the platform's weapons or wildlife policies. Other categories may be listed only subject to additional restrictions, such as age verification, licensing documentation, or geographic limitations on shipping. Section 8. Account suspension and termination. The platform reserves the right to suspend, limit, or terminate a user's account at its sole discretion, with or without notice, in the event of a violation of these terms, suspected fraudulent activity, a pattern of unresolved buyer or seller complaints, or any other reason the platform deems appropriate. Upon termination, any pending transactions may be cancelled and any funds held may be subject to a review period before release. Section 9. Dispute resolution. In the event of a disagreement between a buyer and a seller, both parties agree to attempt resolution through the platform's internal messaging and case management systems before pursuing external remedies. Where a dispute cannot be resolved internally, the parties agree that any further action shall be subject to the governing law and jurisdiction clauses set out later in this agreement. Section 10. Limitation of liability. To the fullest extent permitted by law, the platform shall not be liable for indirect, incidental, or consequential damages arising from the use of the service, including, but not limited to, loss of profits, loss of data, or loss of goodwill. The platform's total liability for any claim arising under this agreement shall not exceed the total fees paid by the user in the 12 months preceding the claim. Section 11. Changes to this agreement. The platform may amend this agreement at any time and will make reasonable efforts to notify users of material changes through the account associated with their profile. Continued use of the platform following such notification constitutes acceptance of the amended terms. Users who do not agree to the amended terms should discontinue use of the platform prior to the effective date of the change. Section 12. Governing law. This agreement shall be governed by and construed in accordance with the laws of the jurisdiction in which the platform is registered, without regard to conflict of law principles. Any disputes arising under this agreement that are not resolved through the internal processes described above shall be subject to the exclusive jurisdiction of the courts of that jurisdiction. Section 13. General provisions. If any provision of this agreement is found to be unenforceable, the remaining provisions shall continue in full force and effect. The failure of the platform to enforce any right or provision shall not constitute a waiver of that right or provision. This agreement, together with any referenced policies, constitutes the entire agreement between the user and the platform with respect to its subject matter. End of document. Thank you for reading. You may now rest.